Hi, grade 2. Hi, grade 2. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will continue Unit 9 in your book, Connect Plus, from Step Ahead book. But before I will start our unit today, I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Last class we finished lesson 2. Today I will start from lesson 3 till the end of the unit. Uh, here is numbers. We know numbers. We must know numbers in numbers and numbers in letters like this. 100. I would like to say that if we have numbers here, we can't put s to this to the number like 100. Not say we cannot say 100 is wrong. 100 is wrong. You can say hundreds. You can say hundreds only. Thousands. You can say hundreds. You can say the correct say hundreds. You can say hundreds. Hundreds of anything. You can say hundreds of anything. Hundreds of trees. Hundreds of say hundreds. You say thousands. Here you say millions. Can say say this without numbers. Say this this unit without numbers, thousands or millions. Say millions of people, millions of anything. So here is millions without number here. So we say millions without adding the number. Okay, must know this. Okay, without adding the number. Okay, say 100,000 million. You can don't say 100 is wrong. Okay, must know this. Must know this. This because if we don't make a mistake with it. Okay, let's go to let's go 100, 200, 100, 1,000, 600,000, 600,000, 1,000,000, 9,000,000. Let's go to read the rest of the vocab here. We have bank, population, Egyptian pound. Egyptian pound is the currency. Egyptian pound is the currency of our country. Okay, currency of our country. Okay, this is the currency, currency, currency of our country. The currency of country is Egyptian pound. Another one, like America, the currency of this country is what is dollar. So currency, every state, every country has its currency. Okay, Egyptian pound, people, about, cost. We use cost to do when we say what this thing is cost. Cost means I ask about what I ask about price. Cost ask about what price. Ask about price. Okay, related with money. Okay, cost related with money. Price. Okay, this whole price. Okay, when you ask about price. Let's go to continue our lesson. We have kinds of and types of same meaning, but we have different we have small difference between them, but kinds of types of is the same as me yeah, as the meaning the same. We have river Nile, spices, pollution, monkey. Let's go to keep clean, long tail, dirty water, thin, moving water, round. This is for ground. Okay, round like circuit, right circuit, round. Day in, most of energy, paid for, electricity, come from, for food, change it to, for transport, use. We have here reptiles and fish. Here reptiles. Reptiles, what things that's reptiles? We have crocodile, we have lizard, and we have soft-shelled turtle. I will repeat again, reptiles. Crocodile, lizard, soft-shelled turtle. We have here fish, Turopila, span eel, Tropilla, and fish. Let's go to another one. Here is text. We have a text here. I will read it, and we have questions below. Let's answer the questions below this. 100 million people live in Egypt. Most of the population live next to the river Nile. People need the river for food and water. People also need the river for transport. So this is the importance of what of the river Nile. We have to keep the water in the river clean. Why? Because the pollution is bad for what? For animals and plants. Lots of plants and animals live in the river. They don't like dirty water. There are dams in the river, moving water. So the water here is used is as as an uh, as used as types of energy to move and gives us energy to what and this energy changes to what electricity. Okay, there are dams in the river. Moving water gives energy. Electricity comes from this energy, not this, because this is for plural. This is for singular. This energy, people then use the electricity. Lots of animals live in the river Nile. There are lots of reptiles. The Nile crocodile is the biggest reptile. Biggest here, I would like to say that if you return to the last video, I explained you the superlative and comparative form of this adjective. If you want to know more about, return to the video to revise what we told last video. Okay. The Nile crocodile is the biggest reptile. There are also over 100 types of fish. Here is, as we told you during the lesson, million, thousand, hundred. As we told you, you don't put us when we have number before this unit. Okay, before hundred or thousand, million. You can say what? Hundreds of trees. You can say thousands of pupils, millions of people. So here is when we talk about these units without number, we say hundreds, we say thousands, we say millions. Let's go to answer the question below. As we told, I answered before. Study the vocab and then answer this question. Let's go to another one. I would like to say that I answered some of them because I want to make the video longer, and this vocab I answered before, but I would like to study to answer by yourself. Okay, to answer by yourself. The big cost about what here? So I asked the price of the pen. Okay, cost what? Thousand Egyptian pounds. So I select this one by this one. A lot of population live what next to the river. So I will select number 2 by number 8. The Nile crocodile is the biggest reptile. People need river for what? For food and water, as we know in the um, list. Okay, let's go to another one here. The space of Egypt is 100 million, which was population. So I select this one. People use the river Nile for wood and for water, food, and transport. There are many space in the river Nile. There are many what? There are many dams, and these dams, by these dams, use electricity to give. They use water to give us electricity to make these dams work, and we have electricity from it. Okay. There are many dams. Moving water makes space. Moving water makes energy. The energy makes space to use people's houses. The energy makes what? Makes electricity to use people's house. We have to keep the river Nile what? Clean. To keep river Nile clean. We have to keep river Nile clean. Keep river Nile clean. Pollution makes the water what? Make the water dirty, and pollution is bad for what? Bad for animals, plants, and people. Let's answer. Let's go to lesson 4 here. Here we have save water, turn light off, save energy, turn light off. Turn light on and turn light off. Means turn light off means I switch the socket for lighting. Okay. When turn off, I close it. Okay. Have save. See, we have save water and save energy, and we know later how to save both energy and water in this country. Keep our country clean. Keep our country clean. Turn on the water. Have a bath. Turn off the water. Have a shower. Look after. Walk to school. I would like to say don't put article before two. We have two school directly without that. Okay. Throw bottles. Drive to school. Recycle bottles. Empty. Good for. Recycle plastic. Environment. Recycling bin. Clean the garden. We have trash can. What else? Pick up trash. For days. Letter here. Here is letter. Here is get up. Work together. We have work together. We have another meaning for this, which is cooperation. Cooperation. We call cooperation. Okay? Cooperation. 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 Another meaning, cooperation. Let's put another one. Early. Early. Weekend. Weekend. The best. A holiday. Ill. Weaving here. We have weaving. Important tradition. Weave carpets. Different patterns. Clothes often are made design. Here is we have some phonics. This phonics I told you last video, but I will repeat. I will repeat again to know it to study it well with me. We have fly, fly. I will start. We have letter CL. We have letter CL, FL, and BL. Phonics. Okay, the phonics CL, FL, BL. You say fly, you say fly, fly, you say here fly, dry, fry, fry, pray, fly, fry, fry, pray, dry. You have here flies, 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 dries, tries. This is ES here. ES, 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 ES. That is why fly, try, try, dry, and fly. Let's go to another one here. Here is the dialogue, and we have questions below. We will answer it. Let's go to know more about to know this dialogue. Talk about that. This bottle is empty. Put it in the recycle bin. In the recycling bin. Do we have to recycle plastic? Yes. This dialogue is between Hani and Mom. Hani, this bottle is empty. Mom, put it in the recycling bin. Hani, do we have to recycle plastic? Yes, it's good for environment. What else do we have to do? Mom, we have to clean the garden. Hani, okay, I can do that. Mom, we have to pick up the trash. To pick up means to collect the trash from the garden. Do we have to put the trash in the trash can? Yes, we do. Here is we have the expressions of have to, don't have to, have to. Have to is used in what? Used in present. Have to used in past. Don't have to describing what? Describing unnecessity or not need or no need. No need. Okay, unnecessity. Okay, describe the unnecessary. We have here have to used in present, have to used in past, don't have to unnecessary. Here is, let's study these examples to know more about this rule. I have to go to the supermarket now. So here is now, and have to here is the present. So have to describing what? Describing present now. I had to do my homework yesterday. So here I talk about it. I talk about the past tense. So I use here had to. I don't have to get up early. It's Friday. Let's go to another item here. What do I have to do? You have to keep our country clean. Do I have to turn off the lights? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Do you have to? Do I have to go to school on the weekend? No, you have. No, you don't. No, you don't. Okay? No, you don't. There is in this rule, we talk about the plural noun and the changing of the plural of the singular to plural. We have here es, ies, but this adding is not for nouns. It's not is for what for verbs. It is used for verbs. Okay, for verbs. Okay, for verbs. Yeah, for verbs. For verbs. Let's go to know more about this in the examples below this. We have here singular, we're adding s in the verb with the verb, the singular verb like is. We adding s, es, ies. The plural noun, the plural verb don't like s. If we have I, you, we, they, plural, don't like s. So the singular like s, plural don't like as we told before, okay? As we know before. Here is we have I like, she likes. So I adding here s. We go to school. Same we go. So I here adding what? Adding es. I would like to pay attention with me that here we use I without s, and she here we put s. We put is here because s because she is singular, and as we talked before, the singular likes s, but plural don't like s. Okay. I like chicken. She likes fish. We go to school. Same goes to school. I brush my teeth. He brushes his teeth. They watch TV. She watches TV. Plants fly in the sky. He flies in the sky. The babies cry. So here is the plural. So the verb will be in the infinitive because it's plural. The baby cries. Okay. We have. I would like to pay attention with me. I would like to say the ending of single. Here is like s, goes, brushes, watches, flies, and cries. Here is I omit, cancel or omit y and adding ies like this, flies and flies. Okay, let's go to another one, another activity. We have two space. We have to what? Here is have to is what is present. So I select tidy you have to tidy your room today. Why here I write have to and I select today. Today for what? Because have to, as we explained in the previous page, is expressing present. So I select this one. You have to tidy your room today because we have here today. I don't have space. I don't have to get up early on the weekend because in the weekend I would like to relax, not to wake up early. Wake up early in the schools only. Okay, so I select this one by this one. You had to. So here had to. So when I said had to, so I talk about the past form. So it will be clean. It will be you had to clean the garden yesterday. So here I had to. So if you have the had to, you have here yesterday. You have to here, you have today. You must take care when you selecting. Okay, what do I have to do? What do I have to do? You have so here we ask about what about its task about his task. So what do I have to do? Ask about the task. You have to pick up the trash. So I select number 4 by number what by number 2. Let's go to answer the sentence below. Here is space, get up early on school days. So it will be what? It will be have to. Here is have to. I space get up early on Friday. I don't have because it's weekend, so I don't have. Yeah, I don't have. I space homework after school. I have to. I space go to school on Saturday. I do Saturday. So here is if we have a weekend. So the answer it will be I don't have to go to school on Saturday. I don't have to go to school on Saturday. To go to school on Saturday. I'm not ill. Please go to doctor. I'm not ill, and I'm not ill, so I'm not ill, so I don't have to go to doctor. Only it's no need to go to doctor because if I'm not ill. I go to the doctor if I'm sick. If I'm not sick, I will don't go to the doctor. Please pick up later after pick up later and turn off the light. I have to. It's important to do so. Okay, to pick up letter and turn off the light is important for us. So we have to, okay. Let's go to another one. Here is what, here is what, here is water. Here's water. It's shower. Bath. I will leave the rest of this exercise to do as homework after keeping the vocab. As we told you before, as I told before, the question of unscreened per letter, unscreened per word, and supplying letter depend on what? Depend on studying the vocab. Let's answer the questions here. Here is 10. I will answer 5 and I will leave the rest to do it as a homework. He space fry or frying egg. So, as we told before, singular, right? It's not plural, not like S. Here is singular or plural, singular. So, it could be I select fry. The baby fried. Why? Because singular. The bird can fly. The bird can what? Can fly. So we say why Miss Iman put here fly? Because can is the from models we took it later in we will take later. Okay, and we know that models can will and so on you must be followed by what? By the infinitive form. So the verb here can fly. You can say that Miss Iman told us singular like S and the plural a plural dot like S. Yes, it's correct. But here we have a model. We took it later and we know more about this later. Okay. Can here must be followed by what? By the infinitive form. I try. Try is hard. So here is I. So the answer it would be try. She dries her hair. Okay. Here I answered 5 questions. I will leave from 6 till the end of the sentence. So it will be a home. Okay. After I finish the video, I will leave the link of this book on below the video to download it and answer what we took in this video. Okay. Weaving is an important tradition in Egypt. People weave carpets and clothes. Different patterns and textures are made using different colors. Egyptian carpets often have pictures of animals on them. Weaving is an important tradition in Egypt. Is it right? As we know, in this text? Yes, I would put here what right. People wear shirts and skirts with no carpets and yes, with shirts and skirts. Yeah, right. Why? Here is clothes is including what? Including shirts and skirts. Is including clothes? Yes. So I will put it here right. Different patterns and pictures are made. Different yes are made. Right. Egyptian carpets often have pictures of the schools on them. Can think that I think no, don't the people don't like education at all. So what we can put pictures of schools on the carpets? I think no. Think no. So the pictures it will be animals on them, so it will be wrong. Match and read. So I answer this. Answer this. Yes. Here is what do I have to do? What do I have to do? Uh, uh, so you have to here is you have to do your school project. So this one means I ask about your task. So I select this one by this one. Where do I have to go? I You have to go to school. Why I answer by this? Because here we have where. Where ask about what grade two as we learned it before. Ask about what? Ask about place. Okay, we learned it before. WH questions, and I will tell you if you return to videos and revise what we took. We say that who asked about a big person, we asked about places, what about something, when about time, and we and we know every keywords. Ask about what we must know very well every keyword of the question form to ask about that to answer the question. Okay, here is where ask about what grade to ask about place. So here is school is plus or not. So I will set this one by this one. Who do I have to see? So I ask about what here I ask about a subject person. There is a who to ask about subject person. Subject person. Okay, subject person. Subject person. Subject person. Here is who do I have to see? Ask about subject. I have to see your teacher. Okay, this one like this one. Okay. What do I have to do? I have to do is I ask about what I asked about task. Our task. Let's go to another one. Let's go to another task. I will leave this one to do it as on. Let's go to another one here. Here is rearranged as we told before. We have subject plus verb plus object. I think you know this rule and you answer the description by this way. So his subject may be the subject may be a pronoun or noun. I pick up letter. I pick up letter. I pick up letter. We plant trees. We plant trees. We plant trees. I clean the river. I clean the river. I clean the river. Okay. So I answer three of them. I will leave the rest to do it as aham. Let's go to another one. Here is space is a tradition. Space is a tradition. Space is a tradition in Egypt. What waving is a tradition in Egypt. People wave space wave with what carpets and clothes. People use different space to make pictures, different colors. Egyptian carpets sometimes have space pictures of what pictures of birds and animals. Okay, I will leave this to do it as a homework. Let's go to the task to end from this unit today. What do I have to do? This we answered like this question in the previous page. I think it's easy to answer it with us. What do I have to do? What do I have to do? You have to pick up the trash. So I select number E by this one. So this one by number E would be my number E here. Okay, let's go to another. You had to space. You had to so here two is for is what is the past. So I select this one. The tidy number C. What tidy your bedroom yesterday. So it is so here is have to and here is in the past. I don't have to space. I don't have to go to the go to doctor. I'm not ill. So it will be number B. I have to space. He have to here is present. Present. Number eight. I have to help mom at home today. Have to, and here is today to ask about what about present. Let's go to another one. I would like to answer these questions again, grade two, to practice yourself to practice yourself on this exercise. Here is what here is Reno, river, thousands, carpet. You can you return to the lesson and keep the vocab and answer it. Reno, river, thousands, and carpet. Let's go to another one here. Horses run the most, the least, more quickly than zebras. Uh, uh, than zebras. So here is we have than. Can we say then? As we explained last class, if you learn to the video and listen to the difference between comparative and superlative, you can see that that as I told you that before the superlative we use the most, the least. But when we compare between two persons, we use more adjective than, and in one syllable we adding er to the adjective and put there. So there is a special. I can make a difference between superlative and comparative by adding them to the adjective. So here is we have them. So can you think with me? Make your mind. What can I select here from this? I select here from this word. Okay. I would like to say that multiple choice is not an easy. It's difficult because you can make your mind before you select it. Okay. There is horses ran more quickly. Why more? This meant more because as we told before, that more always followed by what? By them. You are clever people. There, baby. So here is baby. So as we told, singular like S, but plural don't like S. Here is baby singular. So I select prize. So it will be this wrong and this wrong. I have to, don't have to get up early yesterday. So here yesterday it will be in what in the for in what times here? Here yesterday in what in past tense. Here yesterday in the past tense. So as we told as we learned in the lesson that when we ask about when we have yesterday. So I will select which one is describing which one of these verbs expressing past. I had to. They are clever pupils. The giraffe is space land animal. So I compare the giraffe by the all animals. So it will be that choice. It can run space quickly of all. The list it can run the list quickly of them all. Them also I selected by what? By the all. So by I select I convert by all. So I to be the list quickly of them all. Because here is more, we have a than, and less we have than. Okay, it's not wrong. It's not right. So there is every day save water. So I space so the answer it would be there is every day. Every day means present. So it's talked about it. Don't have wrong. Had to wrong. Why? Because had to, as we told before, we use it in the past form. So it will be have to. She spaced last week. You can say Miss Iman. You underline the word that expressing the sentence when that we select the word expressing it. I would like to do so. Why? Because in the exam, if you select, you must see the word that expressing the word that you say. Okay, you must know that. We must make that in the exam. As we know, as this we do it in what? In punctuation. We are correcting the punctuation and adding the 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 marks of punctuation that is not available. So here is the same. We must put underline like this. You say yesterday. If you put under yesterday, I can select the correct word that is suitable for this tense. Every day I select the word that is suitable for this tense. Last week I select the word that is suitable for this word. Okay, we have last week. Last week it's expressing past. So the answer will be draw, because draw is the word that is expressing the past. Go on. Go to school on holidays. So here is what we use. What is the word that expressing that not need to do so. I don't have to. Okay. Yes. Here we answer this exercise, and I would like to answer this again. To I after I send after I sending the link of this video. I will leave the link of this book on below the video to answer the questions. I would like to connect with me from the channel. Answer and send it to me, and send the questions to me. Okay, to correct it for me. Okay. Here is the text and here is the questions below. This is the questions coming in the exam, and you must read it, read carefully before you answer the questions. Okay, let's read the text and answer the questions below. 100 million people live in Egypt. 100 million people live in Egypt. This is the population of Egypt. Okay, most of the population live next to the river Nile. People need the river for what? For what? As we learned in the lesson, for food and water. People also need the river for transport. 1,000 million people live in Egypt. Is this right sentence? No, it's not right. Why? Because it's 100 million people. So this sentence is correct? No, it's not correct. So I put wrong here. People need river Nile for having shower. It's no it's loving. It's a loving sentence. Wrong. Not having shower. So you can't say right. Why? Because we have water here. So, but not having shower. So I make it right as the shower is water. Okay, okay, okay. We try. Okay. Most of the population live next to the river, the river Nile. Most of people, the majority of people living next to the river Nile. Yeah, next to the river Nile. Yes, most of the people of the population live in the next to the river Nile. Will be right. Right. This sentence is right. People need the river Nile for food and water. Yes, we need it for what? For food and water. It will be correct. Okay. I would like to say water, food and water right. but having a shower is wrong. If the safe side, I put it wrong because it's not a shower. We need water and food. So this sentence it will be wrong. Okay. Space term space of term. Here is term what? Term right. Term right. Space is important. Light is light is important. Light is important. Light is important. So answer the last picture here. Have wrong have wrong what? Have wrong train. It has a wrong train. Train here. Wrong train. We have to space to recycle. Okay, to recycle. To recycle. As we learned in the lesson. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Uh, this is the story of the ant and the grasshopper. I make it. This story. I have a video. We have a video on this story. We turn to this to it and revise it with me. Okay. Today I finished unit 9. Next class I will start unit 10. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.